In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reCAPTCHA on your Mailerlite forms and landing pages. If you've ever dealt with bot signups or suspicious submissions, reCAPTCHA is a simple, built-in way to protect your audience and your data. We'll walk through where to find the setting in Mailerlite, how to turn it on for both landing pages and forms, and what to keep in mind so it works as expected. First, sign into your Mailerlite account and decide what you're securing. If you're working with a landing page, head to the Sites tab. If you're using a pop-up or an embedded form, go to the Forms tab. This split matters because the setting lives slightly differently depending on whether it's a landing page versus a form. Next, locate the exact form or landing page you want to protect and click Edit. This opens the visual editor where you customize content and behavior. Taking a moment to confirm you're editing the right item can save you from wondering later why you're not seeing changes where you expect them. Inside the editor, look for the Form tab. For landing pages, open the Form tab and then choose Form Settings. If you're editing a pop-up or an embedded form, you may see a dedicated Settings tab. Go there. Different layouts can place these controls in slightly different spots, but the label Settings or Form Settings is the clue you're after. Once you're in the right settings panel, find the option labeled reCAPTCHA and check the box. This enables Google's verification that helps distinguish real visitors from bots. You won't need to add any external code for Mailerlite's built-in protection. Just flipping the switch is enough in most accounts. Before you close the editor, make sure to save your changes. Saving is what actually activates reCAPTCHA on the live version of your form or landing page. If you navigate away without saving, your visitors won't see the protection you just set up. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the reCAPTCHA checkbox, confirm you're in the correct editor for that item and that you have editing permissions for forms or sites. Some themes or older versions may label tabs slightly differently, so look for the form or settings area. After saving, give the page a quick refresh in a private or incognito window to view it as a new visitor would. That's it. You've enabled reCAPTCHA in Mailerlite to help keep your lists clean, your analytics trustworthy, and your team focused on real subscribers.